welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nats, and I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and doing okay. Alright, today's video is juicy. Alright, we are playing Never Have I Ever with a guest, my husband, Mr. Adam Webb. He's getting himself ready to come on camera, guys, and this game promises to be like so fun, because if you guys follow us on Instagram, you know that me and Adam, we behave quite abnormally. Alright, so if you're not following me on Instagram, my Instagram is right here, so follow me over there and let's get ready. The rules of the game are very simple. We're putting a little bit of our own spin on it. So we're playing Never Have I Ever, as I said before. But if it is that we ask a question and the person has done it before, then they will have to drink something that is concocted by us. So I am going to be mixing up something very, very gross and disgusting, something that Adam will absolutely hate, and he is also going to do the same for me. The thing is, he doesn't know what my mixture will be, I don't know what his mixture will be, but you guys will. Alright, and we won't know until we actually have to drink it. So let's head on and make my concoction. Alright guys, so I just went into the kitchen and got my ingredients. So of course we need a little cup. I have some sugar. Adam hates very sweet drinks. I have some water and some salt. Adam absolutely hates salty stuff. And I have some hot pepper sauce, and it's almost finished. As you can see, Adam does not like pepper, and we're going to mix all of this right up. All right.
Now it's my turn to make something delicious. Okay. Ooh, yuck. Oh no, this is not good.
Who is ready? Alright, the mic is on. Alright guys, so we are obviously coming to you from the bed. Alright, the bed. So it's not easy for us to just run to the bathroom when we have to throw up. I have no idea what Adam prepared for me to drink, and Lord knows I can't handle the foolishness. Alright guys, so before we jump right into the game, we are going to, of course, shout out our NATZNIFICENT fam. I have my bag right here, and I'm just going to go head fast, shake it up, grab something, and shout out somebody new. Alright, and this week's shout out goes to Keeping Up with Jin, and that's my very good friend and bridesmaid Janelle. Big up yourself. Thanks for watching my videos, girl, and leaving a comment. And her comment was, why you fling down the book so? Alright, so that's Jamaican patois for my English audience. She's saying, why did I throw the book like that on the ground? And if you watch the video, I'll link it right here, my Clean With Me video, you'll see exactly what she is talking about, because I really just threw a book on the floor.
Was that my book? That you...
No, it was a haul. I was doing a haul and I was trying to like get rid of stuff very fast. So I was just like, yeah. So Jen, big up yourself. Thank you for watching and leaving a comment. Guys, if you want to be a part of my shout out, all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel and be leaving comments under the videos. Alright, I write down every single comment, throw them in this bag, and in each new video that I film, like this one, I shout out somebody new. Alright, so let's get back to the video. Alright, so the first never have I ever question. Never have I ever question. Alright, never have I ever walked around with my zipper down. I have never. I don't wear things in zippers.
That's such an unfair question.
Have you ever?
That question is for how long? Like the entire
all day.
All day. Oh no.
Oh wait, it's something never say all day.
Not all day.
It said never have I ever walked around with my zipper down. In public then.
I mean, I'm
yes, I know.
I can't remember it happening specifically, but I'm sure it has happened at least once.
Drink.
That question is basically, okay, your turn to drink. Like, no. There was no chance there. Okay.
It's not so bad. Oh my god. You so lie.
Oh!
Alright. Come, your turn to throw a question out there. Are you okay?
Alright, my turn.
Yeah.
Never have I ever cheated on an exam. I've never done that.
You've never cheated on an exam? Really? I've never cheated on an exam.
That's a lie. And I'll pass you your question.
One sip. Oh my god, guys, only you know what's inside this cup. I am about to die. Alright?
That might be literal.
Can I just stick my tongue in there?
Don't drink too much.
My tongue not touch it. It smells horrible.
No, come. I had to drink hot sauce and salt. You can do it. What?
Guys, I'm smelling garlic. Ugh. Garlic?
You love garlic.
Not like this.
Oh, come on.
It's not so bad.
There are some good things in there.
Guys, it's really not bad.
It's not that bad.
Like it tastes like there's a particular garlic cough syrup in Jamaica. This tastes exactly like it. It's a garlic syrup for coughing when you have cold.
I would never take that.
This tastes exactly. It's not that bad. Garlic is good for you. Anyway.
But you haven't.
I tasted it.
Really?
How could I know?
Skeptical.
Alright, next. Alright, never have I ever listened to Justin Bieber.
First of all, we're both drinking. Because you have listened to Justin. I might have inadvertently listened to Justin Bieber. Just by mistake. Listened. Let's clarify some key terms. Is that the deliberate action of finding a song specifically, or maybe downloading it and playing it? Or is it just hearing it and not running away?
Listening it.
What do you mean? What do you mean by listening?
Get it on your phone, go up on YouTube, type in Justin Bieber,
no.
listen to Justin Bieber.
I've never done such a... No.
By mistake. What do you mean by mistake?
By mistake meaning I enter a vehicle, or I hear it playing.
He
or
lying.
It comes on the radio.
He lying.
Have you ever seen me express any interest in Justin Bieber?
No, not no. I don't know what you be doing 5 years ago.
Definitely not listening to Justin Bieber. Anyway,
I haven't listened to Justin Bieber like that though.
Like what?
Like typing in shit and having like Justin Bieber playlist or even songs on my phone. I don't do that. I don't do that. So no, I've never. Never have I ever sat on a public toilet seat. Who is drinking now? Have you ever, Adam Webb?
Do cases of emergency count?
Anytime at all. Anytime. Once you sit on it.
What if the seat is lined with something so that I'm not making direct contact with the seat?
Adam Clay Webb.
I'm clarifying. Am I sitting on the seat or on the seat lining? What am I really sitting?
On the seat lining. Once your butt touch the seat.
But my butt would not have touched the seat in that.
I am Webb. I know you, and I know you're not wasting time lining toilet seats with anything. So have you ever sat on a public toilet seat? Be careful.
Hold it.
Adam, oh my god. How was that?
Spicy.
Alright, your turn.
Sweet and spicy. Never have I ever done something suspicious in a classroom.
What is suspicious?
Let's use your imagination without being too direct. Never have I ever done something suspicious in a classroom.
Suspicious? Like suspicious? Or suspicious? Rich, have you?
Cheers!
Oh my god! Bim!
Oh yeah, it's good.
I can't see.
Can't see. Oof. Spicy.
My nose is running. Ah!
Yeah. It's better the third time around. It's not as spicy as before, but the salt is definitely coming out. Ooh, yeah. Come on. No. That was not. I need to see some movement. Gulp movement.
I can't.
Come on, gulp movement.
We can't do this.
For the gram or for the tube.
For the tube. Holy crap. Look at me tasty.
This is gonna be the real test to see whether or not you have tasted it. List 5 ingredients.
Alright. Garlic.
Garlic. Yeah.
Cinnamon.
Nice.
Black pepper.
Black pepper. Yeah, good touch.
Those are the 3 that is sticking out to me right
But
now.
you need to taste again so you can get 2 more. Alright, that's a good one. That's good. Oh, hey. Mm. 2 ingredients.
Lime juice.
Lime juice. One more. What else?
Salt. Never have I ever worn the same pair of underwear more than 3 days.
Never. No. That's crazy.
Okay, me neither. Your turn.
Easy question. Never have I ever been kicked out of somewhere. A class, an event, a party, a room. I don't know.
Well, I haven't been kicked out, but I have gotten an attitude and left.
No. You've never been told to leave somewhere.
No. But I have, because of attitude, got up and be like, I ain't doing this with you, bye-bye. So that does not
Alright,
count.
you're good.
Okay.
That's a pass.
Alright, next question. Never have I ever let dirty dishes sit in the sink for over a week.
A week?
A
Come
week.
on. Have you ever seen me do any such thing?
A week.
I've never done that.
Come on.
I've never done that.
Adam.
7 days? First of all, this is why I'm going to tell you why this is impossible. So, post-nate, that can't happen. We do dishes every day. Pre-nate, I didn't have enough dishes to go a week without washing them. That's simple logic. I didn't have enough dishes to go a week. I had like 1 plate.
No,
or
more
2
than
plates.
1. At least 4 dishes.
No, I had at most 2 plates and maybe 2 cups. That's it. So even if I wanted to, 2 days, maybe 3 would have been my max. So, I'm sorry, but I can't drink the milk. Never have I ever stalked my partner's ex
Oh my god.
on social media.
Drink to that.
Nothing left the cup.
Nothing
Nothing has left the cup.
See her lip. See her. You see it? Never have I ever given someone other than your spouse a hickey.
Oh, come on. I would never dream.
I feel like you guys are lean.
I could never dream to do such a thing.
You've never given someone else apart from me a hickey, Adam?
Wait a minute.
Not cheating wise, like in your relationship, but excluding me.
To
Have you ever
prior to you?
Yeah, have you ever
Oh,
given
come on.
hickeys?
Are you serious? That's such a bad question.
It's not a bad question because I have never given a hickey. I tried to give you a hickey. It doesn't work. I can't do it.
I'm very dark, so you'd have to put out some real effort. Alright.
He's drinking.
Let's make this quick. Yeah?
He's extra. Don't mind him.
Yep.
Next question.
Easy.
Your turn. And guys, this is our we're winding down from 5 questions, so we have 4 more to go.
Never have I ever suggested we watch something on Netflix and then spend the entire time on my phone not watching it but leaving my partner to watch it by themselves.
I have. I'm guilty.
Back with the Ex. Highly recommend.
What? You recommend Back with the Ex?
No, I don't recommend getting back with the ex. I recommend the show, the Netflix TV show, the drama series, Back with the Ex. It's an Australian
reality TV show.
Yeah.
And also Love is Blind. Definitely watch Love is Blind. Like, oh my god.
Good stuff.
But Back with the Ex, we ain't promoting getting back with your exes, okay? No. Dame. And by the way, dame in Japanese means don't do it. That's wrong.
So this.
Yeah.
Alright, last one. Big gulp. Big gulp.
Ah!
Big gulp.
That's all I'm taking. Never have I ever lied about my age.
I've never done that.
Okay? Me neither. I'm always upfront about my age.
That's a lie?
When have I ever told a lie about my age? Like, I'm always on social media. Like, I'm 23, I'm 22, it's my 21st birthday. It's like, people be knowing my age.
Never have I ever been jealous of my friend who is getting married.
No, I have never gotten jealous over a friend. I have felt left out. I have felt like, you know, my friend's getting married. I need to be like finding a husband, of course.
Look at you
And
now.
I did find a husband.
Alright, so
The last question. And at this point, they always do the cheeky question. Never have I ever played. Never have I ever, so that everybody can drink. But we ain't going to do that corny stuff. We're asking real questions here.
Stuff.
And guess what? It's going to be easy for him to drink. Never have I ever won a game of Scrabble. Drink up, baby.
What? I am proud to drink.
He's a Scrabble fan.
Oh yeah.
And a chess fan.
I'm not a Scrabble fan. I'm a Scrabble
Player?
champion.
There he goes tooting his
chess
own
player.
horn.
Not chess champion or grandmaster. Chess player, but Scrabble
champion.
Connoisseur.
Him and his sister, oh my god, they're so competitive with Scrabble. It's crazy. Kayla, big up yourself.
Alright.
Drink up.
Yep.
Are you okay?
Yep.
Alright guys, and that is the end of this Never Have I Ever game. Like, Adam really did come out with all the shadiness, didn't you?
Yeah.
I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and hit the notification bell to get notified every time a video goes live on NATZNIFICENT, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, comment below. Tell your friends.
Yeah.
To come here.
Yeah.
And watch. To binge. Just binge.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
And on Instagram.
Yeah.
Binge.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah? Okay. Bye.
So back to what I was saying.